Okay guys, I hope you all are fine. I'm again with another tutorial. So I'm starting from the first. Again, I must emphasize that you should first completely understand the query, then you should move on to next. So here this query is very simple: gold coins. Basically user wants a gold coin, and what is being offered: 2023 gold American buffalo proof coin. So similarly a gold coin is offered, so this is a perfect match, so I have rated it as exact match. What can I make with a mantilla for my wedding dress? First of all, you should understand query. What is a mantilla for wedding dress? Here I can see this one is mantilla, like this wheel type thing that ladies use on their marriage day, and is asking what I can make with. Basically is asking a question, and here what we are being offered, we are actually being offered a mantilla for wedding. So this is alternate. The reason behind this selection is, here you can see, in case of a question, informational queries or questions or problems, so this category falls here. So if here, what does an ethernet switch do? And on alternate option it is being offered as ethernet small switch. And here he is asking for why are some Dutch ovens so expensive, and he is being offered with a Dutch oven. So in all these cases, whatever user question is about the thing, if the same thing is being offered, you should go for alternate option. Okay, the next one is Gibson SG standard electric guitar for sale. So this is basically Gibson SG standard. Okay, this one is misspelled here. Standard, SG standard is, I don't know, whatever, but it might be some standard for guitars. Here it is being after Gibson SG standard similar guitar, and he wants an electric guitar here. And this one is, yes, this one is an electric guitar too. Here it is color, but color is not an issue here, because in the query color is not being asked. So it is again an exact match. Self stick address label, basically he wants address labels that are self stick or adhesive. So what is being offered? Address labels, and let's go for check. Yes, these are self adhesive, so basically these are for quick and easy application. So he is asking for self stick address label, and this website also offering the same thing: create your own return address label, and these labels are also self adhesive. So it is another exact match. Then going for degraded column bearing. So basically he is asking for bearing. Oh, I am running short on time. Bearing and that are degraded. These are collar bearing insert. This is not a bearing, so that is not relevant. I am going a little fast because I have already wasted too much time in the research. So this one is Paw Patrol kid car helicopter. He wants a Paw Patrol cartoon kids car with a helicopter design, but here it is being offered as Paw Patrol Jungle Rescue Tracker Jungle Cruiser vehicle and figure. Vehicle is offered, but this is not a helicopter vehicle. That is why it is alternate option, because it is, there is a mismatch. Then orchid types and names. Orchid types and names. Basically he is researching what are orchid types. Orchid, what is orchid? Orchid are a diverse and beautiful group of flowering plant. Basically he is searching for some flowering plant that whose name is orchid, and here again orchid flower is being offered. So basically it is a research, so it is a close match, because for research purpose you can say not going for reviews, but I am running short of time, so I am going quick. This is close match. Again v-neck woman t-shirt, a very simple query: v-neck style women's t-shirt, but the page is not found, so it goes for content display issue. The next one is inspirational quote for workplace. Basically, he only wants quotes. Might be he want to display on wall, but here inspirational wall art is being offered that can be hanged. So it is an alternate option. It's not only quote but a wall poster type thing. What doctor treat arthritis? Basically, he want to treat arthritis, but here what is being offered as dog arthritis. That is not relevant because he has not mentioned about dogs. It he might go for okay humans. And then calendar template 2024, but I won't open my VPN now. As you can see here, desk calendar 2024 template, exact template is being offered. Next, Anthony Hopkins Fear Strikeout movie. Basically, Anthony Hopkins is a star and Fear Strikeout is the name of the movie. So he wants Anthony Hopkins Fear Strikeout movie. So here the same movie is offer Fear Strikeout, but the name is Anthony Perkins. I think here is something confusion in your query. Fear Strikeout is actually a 1957 film. Here you can see that is not Anthony Hopkins. It is a by Anthony Perkins. So here maybe user has misspelled something or he don't know the name, but what is being offered is exact match because this is a user mistake, not actually there is no name with that Anthony Hopkins that is casted in Fear Strikeout movie. So best forearm crutches. Forearm crutches are in this style. Here you can see, but here we are being offered with underarm crutches. So this is a slight mismatch, but both can be used for the same purpose to move a disabled person. Here you can see. So it is an alternate option. Okay guys, I hope I am running short of time. That's why I've explained a little less. I hope you find it useful. Kindly give your suggestions and reviews about my videos so I may be motivated.